Hello and welcome back guys to the channel. Bullets Garage here. If you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about different types of lug nuts and lug seats for your stock wheels or your aftermarket wheels, because most likely if you get an aftermarket set of wheels like I just got my Vossens, you need to get an aftermarket set of lug nuts to match the seat of the wheel. I have the original right here. This is what comes on the car. It has a washer, and this right here is called, I wrote it down, mag type hex nut with a flat washer. This is what is on the stock car. So this piece goes in and it sits inside of the wheel and this between the wheel and the stud. Okay, so that's what this is. My new Vossens that I got, you cannot use this lug nut because they will not seat properly on the seat of the Vossens. So I went ahead and purchased some SR48 MUTEKI lightweight lug nuts in titanium finish. And as you could see, this piece right here that goes and sits into the wheel makes all the difference. Okay, so this right here is a hex nut conical seat. This is what you need if you have an aftermarket set of wheels. This is what's specific to my Vossens. So let me bring you over here. I have the wheel on the ground and I just kind of, put these in here to see what they will look like. And if you look in there, you could kind of see how the seat of the wheel kind of tapers in like a V. So this is also shaped like a V and it goes smoothly in, and as you can see, it sits nice and flat. It's not off angle or anything, and that's what's gonna be needed to run these wheels. Now, as you can see, I went with the open head design because I have on my current setup on the GSF wheel studs that are longer because I'm running wheel spacers to get this beautiful flush fitment on the car. As you can see, I'm pretty flush to the fender in the back. That's a 15mm spacer in the back here. In the front, I'm running a 20mm spacer. So my studs are a lot longer, and I cannot even consider using the stock nut because the studs on here are so long that they won't come nowhere near seating to the wheel. So that's why I chose these. They come highly recommended. They come in different finishes. This is the titanium finish because I think it's gonna match my gray wheels the best. It's kind of similar color, so that's what I went with. That's basically it, guys. I'm gonna put the link to these on the description below, so if you want a set, check them out below, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.